Hello, Minecraft enthusiasts. Experiencing connectivity issues with your server? You're not alone. Port forwarding can be a tricky obstacle when setting up a multiplayer Minecraft server. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Minecraft server port forwarding on TP-Link routers, ensuring you and your friends can build and explore without interruption. Before we jump into solutions, let's quickly understand what port forwarding is. Port forwarding redirects communication requests from one address and port number to another, essentially allowing online gaming servers like Minecraft to communicate through your network. Without proper port forwarding, players outside your network might struggle to connect to your server. Step 1. Access your TP-Link router setting. First things first, to fix Minecraft server port forwarding on your TP-Link router, you need to access the router settings. Open your web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Use your login credentials to access the configuration page. Often, the default username and password are both admin, but it's critical to check with your specific router model documentation or your network. Step 2. Locate port forwarding section. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Forwarding, Virtual Servers, or NAT Forwarding. Each TP-Link interface might vary slightly. The goal is to find where you can add new port forwarding entry. This section is key to ensuring your Minecraft server is accessible to players. Step 3. Create a new port forwarding entry. Now let's focus on creating a new port forwarding rule. Click on Add New or a similar option and fill in the required information. Service type. Enter something like Minecraft server. Internal IP. This is the internal IP address of the computer running your Minecraft server. You can find this by typing ipconfig in your computer's command prompt. Look for the IPv4 address. External port to internal port. Input 25565, the default Minecraft server port. Protocol. Choose TCP/UDP to cover both protocols. Status. Ensure this is enabled or active. Save your changes once all fields are correctly filled. Saving updates the settings on your router. Step 4. Test your server connectivity. After configuring your TP-Link router, it's time to ensure that the setup works correctly. Try to connect to your server from a different network, such as using a mobile data connection or asking a friend to connect. If all is set up correctly, they should be able to join your Minecraft world without issues. Step 5. Troubleshoot if necessary. If connection issues persist, you'll want to troubleshoot. Double-check each entry for typos. Ensure your firewall settings on both the router and your computer allow traffic through port 25565, and verify your IP hasn't changed if it's dynamic. Alternatively, consider using a dynamic DNS server if your IP address changes frequently, which might interrupt your server connectivity. Congratulations! You should now have a clearer understanding of how to fix Minecraft server port forwarding on TP-Link routers. With these steps, your server should be ready to host adventures and creations for you and your friends. Remember, ensuring a stable network connection and double-checking your settings can save a lot of hassles down the line. Enjoy your building, crafting, and exploring in Minecraft.